In this lesson, we are going to talk about what it is an LLM application. The best way to understand what it is an LLM application is to look at some of them. In our website, aiaccelera.com/use cases, you will find a lot of articles talking about LLM application real cases. In the book, 100 AI startups, you can also find a lot of real cases of LLM applications that are making more than $500,000 in their first year. So it's very good for you to get familiar with all these real cases. We are going to talk more and more about them in the next lessons, but it could be good for you to take a look at them right now. And you will see that during this course, we are going to use the analogy of the engine and the vehicle many times. So the most important thing for you to understand is that an LLM application is an app on top of what we call foundation LLMs. So we will talk more about foundation LLMs later, but just for now, think of ChatGPT as one foundation LLM. So we are going to build applications on top of ChatGPT and other foundations LLM. Okay, so this is an LLM application, an app we build on top of a foundation LLM model like ChatGPT. And this application can be on the web, mobile, or whatever, robotics, whatever. So the analogy of the engine and the vehicle is something, as I was telling you, we are going to use often. So the foundation LLM, like ChatGPT is a foundation LLM. We will learn more about that later. But the foundation LLM is like an engine. And the LLM applications are like all the vehicles and machines that use the engine to do things, like the cars we build with the engine, the trucks, the boats, the industrial machinery, etc. Okay, so right now, just think about LLM applications as these vehicles we build on top of the engine of ChatGPT. Okay, very important thing to keep in mind as well right now is that LLM applications are only 1 year old. So they are very, very young. This means that probably they are going to evolve, they are going to change a lot during the next years. So what we know right now for LLM applications probably are going to be obsolete in 3-4 years. The same thing happened with the internet applications, the initial internet applications. So the important question for you to understand is how to develop LLM applications, and the kind of LLM applications we are going to build is going to evolve a lot during the following year. So we don't know where will we use LLM applications in 5 years. We know where are we using LLM applications today and in the following year, that's for sure. But we will see about the evolution of LLM applications. But right now, main concept, use this analogy of the engine and the vehicle, and also start getting familiar with examples of real cases in our website, aiaccelera.com, and also in the book, 100 AI Startups. You are going to see a lot of real examples there. So in the next lesson, we are going to talk about the myth of the prerequisites for learning a program like this one, especially the second part, because since we are going to start talking about some technical concepts, it is very frequent that people get scared. The non-technical people get scared and think that this program is not for them. That is not the case. And it is important for us to talk a little bit about all these myths about the prerequisites for learning program like this. So we are going to talk a little bit more about that in the next lesson.